Hey there, tech fans. I'm outside today to test the brand new InstaFrame 2.0 feature that Insta360 has added to the X5 camera. Now, this feature introduces a virtual gimbal that has several different modes, but what I'm most interested in is the tracking feature, which should lock on me and keep me in the center of the frame as I move through an environment. So the way I'd like to test this is I'll set the camera up on the pitcher's mound behind me, and then I'll walk around the infield. I won't run, but I'll sort of walk quickly around the infield to see if it can keep me in the center of the frame. I'll also put some of my patented ninja moves to the test to see if it'll keep me in the frame or if I can actually fake out the camera. So stay tuned and I'll start that test. Okay, I've set up the camera on the pitcher's mound. I've chosen the InstaFrame setting on the camera, and I've actually used my body as the target. So it's going to keep track of me as I walk around the infield. So let's start with a couple of ninja moves to see if I can fake it out. Nope, I think it's got me in frame, so that looked pretty good. And I got a couple more I may try at the end, but I'm going to walk around now. Let's see if it can keep up with me. So I'm way around this side, and now I'm behind the camera. This is going to be interesting to see if it can track me back here. Now, it is a 360-degree camera, so it should be able to track me and keep me in frame, but again, it really depends on how good that tracking software is. And I'm moving further away. Now I'm going to move in closer to see if I can confuse it. I don't know, it sure looks like it has me in frame there. Here comes a couple more ninja moves. Boy, is that quick. That really is good. All right, I can't see the footage, so I'm going to review that next and we'll see how it looks. Okay, I just checked the footage and that camera absolutely tracked me all the way around that infield, which is pretty cool, but it's sort of something you'd expect from a 360-degree camera because it's really designed with two lenses that the camera has the smarts to sew the images together. But what makes the difference is the InstaTrack 2.0 that Insta360 is included with the camera, because that's responsible for finding me in that environment, locking on me, and following me through that complex environment as I walk around the camera. And to my eye, it was rock solid. So I think it's going to be a game changer, because if it works as well as it did today for me, it eliminates some of the gear that I drag with me out in the field, like my stabilized gimbal that I use with my DSLR. If I can pop this on a tripod and have it act like a virtual gimbal, that'll probably cover 50% of the stuff that I do out in the field. So I'm going to spend a lot more time testing this, but right now I'm really impressed with it, and I think you're going to like it an awful lot. So thanks again for watching. I love talking about this type of technology, and if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button and join the Drone Valley family. But I'll be back with more testing really soon on the Insta360 X5. So thanks again for watching, and until next time, as always, stay nerdy.